Hey guys, this is MORGBORG here with the unboxing of the Essential PH-1, or better known as the Essential Phone. So this thing, fun fact, was manufactured by one of the creators of Android. And as you can see, just putting my finger on the packaging and there's already fingerprints. But this thing's got a notch right there. And some specs for it: a 5.7-inch IPS display, again with a notch, a Snapdragon 835 chip, and this thing was picked up off of Amazon for $224, brand new, as you can see, sealed, and it was cut already. So I'm just gonna so there's a pull tab right there. Oh wait, includes Essential Phone, fast charger, 1 meter cable, and an adapter. So assuming by the adapter, this thing probably does not have a headphone jack, so gonna have to scoot over. Wow, very nice. Just gonna set this over there, and inside the box is this USB Type-C cable with this nice cloth sort of stitching, and just set that to the side. Here's what I'm assuming is a fast charger, because on the box it said fast charger. Fairly compact, I'm quite impressed. As you can see, USB-C right there. By the way, sorry I have not uploaded in a while, just haven't gotten around to it because of school. And as you can see, USB-C on one end and audio input on the other, or more like audio output. And then here is the phone. So fingerprint sensor, I assume, dual cameras, and dual flash. So just going to, wow, look at that reflection. And then there might be plastic on the side. I don't think so. So just gonna move all contents of the box to the side because there's nothing else in the box. Yeah, so if you're curious, this adapter just plugs into the bottom like so. A very nice connection there. And I have a couple of phones I'm going to compare the size to. One of them being the LG G3, my main phone. So just putting this on top of it. About the same size. The Samsung Galaxy S6, again, also pretty much the same size. And then the iPhone 6s Plus, as you can see, the 6s Plus is bigger because it has more bezel. So now I am just going to turn it on, see if it has any juice. There we go, has juice, powered by Android. This thing is expected to get Android P for Popsicle. And oh, sorry, not popsicle. I don't know where I got that from. I meant to say pie. It means pie. Yeah, so there we go. Setup screen. Yeah, by the way, this thing is unlocked. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit that, and it says at the top the battery. Yeah, so just going to skip. Okay, so there we go. Wow, look at that beautiful display. Very stock, not much coming with it, just all the essentials, hence the name Essential Phone. Wow, this display is beautiful. Good, check what version it has. As you can see, 7.1.1 and storage. There we go. So this, by 116, I'm assuming out of the box it came with 128 gigabytes. So yeah, that is the Essential PH-1, picked up for a very good price. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos that I have on the way. So yeah, peace out.